I just found something that honestly feels like a massive shift in how videos will be made from now on. I found a new AI video generator that does something almost no other tool in the market can do right now. It creates long-form videos of up to 30 minutes in a single generation, not 5-second clips, not fragmented scenes stitched together manually, not hours of editing. I'm talking about full-length YouTube videos, full documentaries, even short movies, generated from just one prompt or one script. And the craziest part, it does not behave like the typical AI video tools you have probably seen before. Most AI video generators are stuck in short-form mode. They give you tiny clips, random outputs, and then expect you to manually piece everything together like a puzzle. This one does the opposite. You give it a prompt or script, and it generates an entire structured long video with scenes, continuity, flow, and everything in one go. Now look at this.
I built a machine to make people forget. Someone used it on me. I have 72 hours to remember who I was before they erase me completely.
This is not stitched editing. This is not post-production magic. This entire sequence was generated from a single prompt. And when I first saw it, I genuinely thought there had to be heavy editing behind it, but there wasn't. Now check this next one.
Before we talk about what we're losing, let me show you what we have. A turtle meets your gaze, ancient and unafraid. Down here, silence weighs tons, pressing on every rib. The ocean is dying. Listen before it goes quiet. Hold that thought. Life is still fighting below. Manta wings carve the water like slow thunder. Even night glows. Life sparks beneath our hands. A world older than memory, deeper than imagination.
Everything you are seeing here was created in under 10 minutes using this single AI tool. And if tools like this keep improving at this speed, the entire idea of video production is going to change completely. Long-form content creation, faceless channels, documentaries, even storytelling, all of it is about to become dramatically easier. Right now, most people are still sleeping on this category of AI tools, but early adopters are already going to gain a massive advantage in content creation, YouTube growth, and even monetization strategies. Because while others are spending hours editing, you could be generating entire videos with a single script. Now I am going to break down exactly how this tool works and how you can use it step by step. Let us get into it. Now, before we start creating a video using that AI video generator, the first thing we need to understand is that everything depends on the prompt. This is not just a small step or a formality, it is the foundation of the entire video creation process. The difference between a low-quality output and a high-quality, cinematic-style video usually comes down to how well the prompt is structured. If the prompt is vague or incomplete, the AI will produce inconsistent or unusable results. But if the prompt is detailed and properly guided, the output can look surprisingly professional. So the first thing we need to do is prepare that prompt correctly. To begin, go to the Google Doc that is linked in the video description. This document contains a pre-built prompt structure that is designed specifically for this workflow. It already includes the formatting and instructions needed for the AI to understand scene structure, pacing, and storytelling flow. You do not need to build anything from scratch. Once you open the document, copy the entire prompt template. After that, go to Claude A. This is where we will refine and customize the prompt before using it in the video generator. Inside Claude, paste the copied template. Now you will start editing the key sections. The first thing you need to do is locate the section that says, Insert your video title. This is where you define the entire direction of your video. The title is extremely important because it sets the topic, tone, and narrative focus for the AI. For this example, I will use the title, The Rise and Fall of the Library of Alexandria. Next, you will set the duration of your video. This is where you decide how long the final output should be. One of the major advantages of this AI system is that it supports long-form video generation, allowing you to create content up to 30 minutes in length. This gives you flexibility depending on your goal. For example, shorter durations can be used for quick educational explainers, while longer durations can be used for documentaries, storytelling videos, or cinematic content. For this demonstration, I will set the duration to 5 minutes. Once you have filled in these details, take a moment to review the rest of the prompt. Make sure everything aligns with your topic and the type of video you want to create. In most cases, you will not need to make major changes, because the template is already optimized for structured output. After everything looks correct, simply click on the Generate button. At this point, Claude will process your input and generate a refined, structured prompt that is specifically optimized for the AI video generator. This is not a basic prompt anymore. It is a properly formatted instruction set that improves improves consistency, scene flow, and overall video quality. This final generated prompt is what we will use in the next step to actually create the video. Now, once you have your prompt ready, now it is time to convert this prompt into a long video using this AI video generator we are talking about. This is the step where your idea actually turns into a complete video, so pay close attention here. You can find the link to this AI tool in the description of this video. Go ahead and open it, and after signing up, you will see an interface like this. At the top, you will notice a message that clearly says, create a video in one shot, and give a detailed brief, and get a video up to 30 minutes long. This is important because it tells you exactly what this tool is designed for. It is not for short clips or random scenes. It is built for generating full-length videos from a single prompt. Right in front of you, you will see a text box. This is where we are going to paste our prompt. But before you paste anything, scroll down a bit and take a look at what this tool is offering. You will notice that this platform gives you access to multiple advanced AI video generation models in one place. Instead of relying on just one system, you can choose from several powerful models like Seedance 2, Kling 3, Veo 3.1, Sora 2, and more. This is a big advantage because it allows you to experiment with different models and see which one gives you the best results for your type of content. Now scroll back to the top, go back to Claude AI and copy the full prompt that it generated for you earlier. Then come back to this AI tool and paste that prompt into the input box. This is the key step where everything connects. Your idea, your structure, and the AI's ability to generate a complete video all come together here. Once the prompt is pasted, the next thing you need to do is select the video model. Make sure you select the V40 model, because this is the most advanced model available on this tool, and it generally produces the best quality and most consistent results. After selecting the model, simply click on the Generate button. Now the tool will start processing your prompt. At this stage, it may ask you a few additional questions, such as the duration of your video, the platform you are creating for, and the mode you want to use. You can select all of these based on your own preference and the type of content you are trying to create. Once you have selected everything, click on the Generate button again and wait for a few minutes while the AI builds your video. This part is important because what is happening here is not just simple clip generation. The AI is actually constructing a full video with scenes, structure, and flow based on your prompt. And now your video is ready. Let us preview it.
Imagine a single building that held nearly all of human knowledge. Then imagine it burning. In 331 BC, Alexander the Great stood on the shores of Egypt and envisioned a city that would become the intellectual heart of the world. Alexandria rose from the sand like a jewel, its streets laid out in perfect grids, its harbor welcoming ships from every corner of the known world. Ptolemy I, Alexander's general turned pharaoh, dreamed of something unprecedented. A library that...
As you can see, the result already looks structured and complete. If you feel like something is missing or you want to improve certain parts, you are not limited. You can click on the Edit and Download option, where you can modify scenes, adjust elements, and refine the output according to your needs. Once you are fully satisfied with your video, simply click on the Download button and export the final version to your device. And that is it. You have successfully created a full-length video from a single prompt.